Hi, I'm Jordan from Intelligo, and I'm going to show you the partners or sponsors area of the platform. So this is the event hub of an event on the platform. I can see that I've got the sponsors down the bottom here in this banner, and if I click on one of these sponsors, I can bring up some information about them. However, there's also a dedicated partners area on the platform. If I click on partners in the left-hand side, it will take me through to this area. And you will see that we've got a list of the sponsors of the event on these tiles here. A headline partner has a full width tile, and the other partners have a square half width tile with their logo. I can click on one of these to go to a partner's profile, and I can see some more information about that partner. I can see their external links, which will open in a new tab. I can also send a direct message to the representatives of that partner so that I can have a chat with them about some more of their content. And that's the partners area.